So let's get started to have a look at how you manage your mares and your foals with HippoVibe. And the first thing I want to show you is how you can decide what sort of information you would like to see here in the list. For the example here, I've already created 6 horses, and to decide what sort of information I would like to see about them, I click here on the right on this icon here, and here is a list of different options that I can choose from. So let's say I would like also to see the ULN number and also the age. I just click on it, and I can also decide on the order in which I would like to see them. So if I say no, this should be more on top, then I just change the order like this with drag and drop. I save it and I wait a second, and then I see more columns here in the overview. That's really convenient to make sure that you see the information that are interesting for you. The next thing I want to show you is how you add more horses, and that's very simple. You just click here on the bottom right corner on the plus, and then the pop-up opens. So let's take an example here. We just add another horse here. And you can add many different information about this horse, only the name is compulsory, and all the other fields are optional. You can also add them later at a later stage. So I just save it like this. So we see now we added another horse to the list. And as I said, if you want to add extra information at a later stage, you just click on the horse, and then you see here the icon for the edit icon. So just click on the edit icon, and then we can add extra information, save it, and that's it. One thing that's particularly interesting for breeders is the concept of horse groups. So that you find this here down here in the settings. So horse groups are simply a group of horses. So I've already created 3 types of groups here. The mares, this is the name of a mare, and the foals, a group of the foals. And I can easily create new groups here by just clicking on new group, or I just select one of the existing groups and save it. And the concept of groups is very interesting because it helps you to group and structure your stable, and to also find the horses more easily that you're looking for. So for example, we have this search bar here on the top, and for example, if I'm now looking for let's say just the foals, I just click here and I will just see the foals. Horse groups, the concept of horse groups is very interesting to see the right horses. Something you can also do is create a horse group from a certain mare, that you say all the foals from this mare, they come into this horse group, and I would just select the horse group, and now Diamond is a foal from Carella. So I would easily see all the foals from this mare. I can also search by the age. I can search for a specific name. If I say like this, type in the name, and I would easily find the horses I'm looking for.